After installing the auto-calibration beacons on site, verify their placement in the Asset Tracking Manager from the Heat Map section. Use the measurement tool to validate the distance between your beacons. It should be within the 4 to 8 meters range. Outside of this range, the location accuracy will be impacted and could lead to wrong asset's location. Make sure that an auto-calibration beacon is not equidistant to two gateways. As the localization algorithm needs contrasted values, an auto-calibration beacon should be closer to certain gateways. Click the auto-calibration beacon icon on the map and check that the elevation height is configured and all of them are at around the same height. Also verify that they are installed at the same height or below the stellar BLE gateways. The next step is to check the status of the beacons from the menu Beacon Status. The first status you want to avoid is out of coverage. If a beacon is in this state, check that you have entered the correct MAC address. Another reason would be that the battery level of the beacon is close or equal to 0. Back to the menu Beacon Status, a beacon must be seen by at least 3 gateways. If it is seen by 1 or 2 gateways, it will get the coverage level set to bad. You can click the More Details button to see which gateways can see the beacon. When the beacon is seen by 3 gateways, it will get the status Acceptable and the status Excellent with more than 3 gateways. Even with an acceptable or excellent status, you can get a warning for the beacon. The reason of this warning is that none of the stellar BLE gateways see the auto-calibration beacon with a RSSI above -65. The solution is to replace physically the beacon closer to at least one of the gateways so it is seen with a stronger signal. Another solution would be to relocate one of the stellar BLE gateway so it covers the area where the beacons are deployed. Or you can deploy a new gateway for a better coverage of this area. As explained previously, the stellar asset tracking solution will perform as intended after multiple tests and modifications. As soon as a parameter is changed on the asset tracking manager, you need to pass the site in production mode again. If a gateway or beacon placement or elevation is changed, that will impact the algorithm used to locate the assets. That is why the site must be passed into production